Okay, so we're gonna remove the drive shaft, and it takes, it has four 12mm 12-point bolts holding it in. All right, we're gonna start cracking these loose. We'll crack them all loose. I got a wobbly extension on here with the 12-point, and we'll use the impact. We'll impact gun to zip them all out quick. Crack them all loose by hand. I know they're loose, so I can take them out with this. We'll start them with these to put them back in at the end, but you want to hand tighten them to make sure that you get a nice grip on there. And we can try out the drive shaft.
It's probably about.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll remove the drive shaft. We're gonna put a little bucket under there in case we have a little oil come out.
So if you have a Harbor Freight near you, they have some pretty expensive pry bars, so you don't have to use the end of your ratchet wrench, right, Steve?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Slide this out. Okay, move the drive shaft out of the way.
Put the drive shaft back in. You're gonna want to put the transmission inside first, right?
Yep.
Make sure you clear the boot. You don't want to pinch the boot. So you want to catch them by hand.
Yeah, catch them all first by hand. And these are the 12mm, 12 points. After we catch them all, we can run them in with the gun, and then we're just gonna snug them up with the gun, and then we're gonna tighten them all by hand. Okay, let's get the ratchet, snug these up. I'll tighten these up by hand. One. There's two. Three. That's it. Go back together.
Well, you should be all set. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.